Why does my water turn everything blue? This is a surprisingly common issue, and it's often due to copper. When copper dissolves from plumbing or appurtenances into your water, it can imbue the water with a blue color. Now, it is important to test your water because copper can make you sick. Of course, the color isn't fun, but it is also important to make sure that you don't have too much copper in your water, and you just might if you have enough copper to be turning things blue. And so do a test for metals, send it into the laboratory, get the results back, and hopefully those copper results come at a fairly low concentration. If not, you might need to do something with filtration or treatment or change some plumbing. I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help.